all we'll need. 4 hot-ass Thai chilies. We are doing salsa. Onions first. This is my mint green onion pot here. Do one more. Never-ending green onions and never-ending mint. Woo! Chilies from earlier. There go the onions. This is my oregano bowl. Let's get a couple good ones here. Oh yeah, you should smell it. Fresh, fresh, fresh. More oregano. And if you watched my video, I ripened these tomatoes last week. I mean, a couple days ago. Woohoo! There's 2. You saw the chilies from earlier. Ooh. Got one more right here. Good enough. Now I'll do this one. Sweet. That's all we need just for a little quick bowl. Let's get started. Alrighty. All chopped. Put a little bit of salt. Salt it up. And mash it up. So I'm gonna add a little tiny splash of olive oil, throw it in the blender. Little olive oil. Just a hair.